Visualization is a powerful tool to achieve your success in a super fast manner. 5 steps to improve visualization. Be pure and clean in every thought, word, and action. This would experience ourselves at the center of the forehead as a soul with star like energy, having peace and purity. Point number 2, keeping our mind free of negative and waste thoughts fills our mind full of positive thoughts and would help the third eye clean when we sit to meditate. Point number 3, cooking food with love, compassion, and gratitude will fill energy to the food. Eating a vegetarian diet fills the soul and body with positive energy to help visualize immensely. Point number 4, giving a break to our thoughts at regular intervals in the day helps us to focus and improve concentration, to have good visualization and meditation. Point number 5, writing a small love letter to yourself at night by removing all negative situations in our life on your achievements help to meditate and attain visualization the next morning and have a full productive day. Thank you.